In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline view in Asana. Whether you're completely new to Asana or looking to enhance your productivity, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly integrate the timeline view into your project management workflow. First things first, let's kick things off by heading over to Asana's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Asana website address in the URL bar, then hit enter. You'll find yourself on the home page, which is where the magic begins. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the login screen. Once you've clicked log in, you'll be presented with several options to access your account. To make things simple and streamlined, we recommend selecting Continue with Google. By doing this, you can choose the Google account you use for Asana, and it saves time instead of entering your login details manually. Now, as long as you're set up with Asana through your Google account, you're just a click away from diving into your projects. Now that you're logged in, look at the left-hand panel of the Asana interface. Here, you'll see a list of your teams and projects. Identify the project you want to work on and click on it. This action will take you directly to the project dashboard, where you can start managing tasks in a way that suits you best. Next, we want to set up the timeline view within your chosen project. For this, locate the plus icon near the top of your project interface. It's usually there to help you add different views and tasks. Click on the plus icon and you'll see an array of options to choose from. Having clicked the plus icon, you're on the path to creating a new view for your project. From the assortment of options, you'll find Timeline. Go ahead and select that. As you click on Timeline, you're shifting your project into a whole new gear. This view will allow you to map out and visualize tasks over a timeline, making it much easier to see the big picture and manage workloads effectively. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've accessed and customized the timeline view in Asana. By using this powerful feature, you can better track your project's progress, identify potential bottlenecks, and ensure that your team remains aligned on deadlines. Hopefully, these steps have simplified the process for you, and you're now ready to harness the full potential of Asana's timeline view. Happy project managing, and until next time.